Hello,
hello,
sir.
ma'am. Is this a recruitment poster?
Yes, it is.
What does it say?
Says, this is your flag. It stands for liberty. Fight for it. Join the Overseas Battalion. This is the Ottawa Carleton Battalion. So, would you like to go and serve your country overseas, sir?
Yes, I would love to go serve my countries overseas.
Okay, so...
Actually, I'm not from this country.
That's okay. If you're willing to go and fight, we'll take you, sir.
Thank you. I will make the mother puppet land very, very proud.
I'm pretty sure you will, sir. So, you still have to complete an attestation paper, which gives your information that all the volunteers in the Canadian Expeditionary Force need to complete for the enlistment process.
Okay, pass me the pencil.
No, sir. I will help you fill it out. Sir, we had to fill out this attestation paper so you can join the Canadian Expeditionary Force. What's your name?
Hector.
In what town or parish is your county where you born?
Mother puppet land.
Okay, Mother puppet land. What is your date of birth, sir?
Okay, fine. I will whisper it to you.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you very much. What is your trade or calling? Are you a farmer? Are you an engineer, tailor, insurance broker? What are you, sir?
I'm a weapons engineer.
Weapons engineer. Okay, are you willing to be vaccinated?
No.
Well, that's gonna be an issue, sir. Have you ever served in the military force?
Yes.
Do you understand the nature and terms of your engagement?
I'm still single.
Do you understand you're going to fight and you might die over there?
Yes.
Okay. So, sir, you made this declaration that above the answers by the above questions are true and you're willing to fulfill the engagement made right here, right now to serve the Canadian Overseas Expeditionary Force?
Yes.
Okay. Sign here, sir. You can go get your uniform that way, please, and then come back so we can register you. Sir, I see you received your uniform.
Yes.
We might have to get a tailor to fix your uniform, sir, so...
What do you mean? It fits perfectly.
Yep, I can totally see how it fits perfectly. Sir, may
Hello?
I help you?
Oh! I've been killed by Germans already! No, tell my puppet wife I love her! Oh!
Relax, sir.
I was totally fine.
You sure, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, I think we'll send you back to the tailor. Thank you so much for enlisting, and we'll see you in the front lines.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh, I didn't see you there. So, yeah, those people are crazy. So, if you'd like to see more videos, click here. And if you'd like to see other stuff, click here. And please, smash, destroy that subscribe button right there. Bye!